Hello students, welcome back. Now this video onward we will discuss the further part of mensuration. So why to wait? Let's start. Now student, let's start with the sums where we have to find out the total surface area of the solid figure where there is a combination of the figure. Now just see in this sum, a wooden article is made by scooping out a hemisphere from each end. If the height of the cylinder is 10 centimeter and its base radius is 3.5 centimeter, find total surface area of article. Now it's a combination of the solid. In this case, total surface area doesn't mean total surface area of each solid. It's a combination. So surface area of an article indicate you have to consider the part which are visible to you. Now when you scoop out this hemisphere from both the end of the cylinder, curved surface area is visible and the curved surface area of cylinder is visible. So here height is given 10 centimeter. Radius is common throughout, so it is 3.5 centimeter. You are asked to find total surface area of an article. So exposed surface area, it means the surface area which is visible to you. Csa of cylinder plus this upper hemisphere curved part and lower hemisphere curved part. So Csa of two hemispheres. From each end you have scooped out. Na? So now only curved surface area is visible to you. Curved part is visible. Now, you know curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r h. Curved surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. But two hemispheres are there, so you have to multiply it with 2. Now, what is common? 2 pi r. Then in this it remains h. And there 2 and r. Now start substituting the value. 2 into pi I am keeping 22 by 7 because r is divisible by 7, that is 3.5. Height is 10. 2 into 3.5. Now this 7 ones are 0.5. 2 into 0.5 means 1. 1 into 22 into. This is 7. 7 plus 10, 17. 17 to the 34. Carry 3. Again 34 and 37. 374 square centimeter. Understood? Now let's solve the one more. A toy is in the form of a cone of radius 3.5 centimeter mounted on a hemisphere of the same radius. If the total height of the toy is 15.5 centimeter, what does it mean? The height from this point till this is given. This height is given, full height is given 15.5 centimeter. Find total surface area of the cone. Now radius is given 3.5 centimeter. From this point till this point, it is radius only 3.5. So height of this remaining part, that is height of the cone, will be 15.5 minus 3.5. So it will be 12 centimeter. Correct? Now, curved total surface area of cone. Now curved surface area of the upper hemisphere and curved surface area of the lower cone is only the visible part. So your TSA of toy will be the CSA of both. But for CSA of the cone we require the L. So you know L square equals to R square plus H square. Your R is 3.5. H is 12. So it will be 12.25 plus 144. So your L will be the square root of this difference, addition, sorry. So it is 156.25. Its square root is 12.5. Now, your TSA of toy will be CSA of cone plus CSA of hemisphere. Now, CSA of cone is pi RL. This is 2 pi r square. So when you take pi r common, it is L plus 2r. Now let's substitute. Pi I am taking 22/7 into 3.5. Your L is 12.5 plus 2 into 3.5. 7 ones are, this is 0.5. 22 into 0.5 is 11. Now this is 7. 7 plus 12.5 is 19.5. Now just multiply this. 55, 99 plus 5, 04, 10, 214.5 square centimeter. Got it? Now student, let's solve this one. An exhibition tent is in the form of the cylinder surmounted by a cone. So you have to consider this cylinder surmounted by cone. Now the height of the tent part above the ground, this full height is given. This full height is given 85 meter. Height of the cylindrical part, suppose I am considering it as H1, it is 50 meter. Diameter is given 168 meter. So your radius will be half of this, 84 meter. Now height of the cylindrical, this conical part, for that I have to subtract 50 from 85. So that height is 35 meter. Now what further is asked? Find the quantity of the canvas required. Allow 20% extra for the folding and give your answer to nearest square meter. So first let's find the L. L square is R square plus H square. Your R is 84 and H is 35. 84 into 84. Just see how much it is. 7056. 35 into 35 is 1225. Add both. What you are getting? Your L will be the square root of that sum. So it is 8281. What is the square root of 8281, students? 91. So your slant height is 91 meter. Now, what they've asked? Quantity of canvas required. So your quantity of canvas required will be Csa of cone plus Csa of cylinder. 20% extra means 120% you are taking. So 120 divided by 100. Okay. 20% extra you are taking. So when you reduce this, it is 6 by 5. Now let first substitute the formula. This is pi RL. This is 2 pi RH multiplied with 6 by 5. Now what is common? Just see. Inside the bracket, pi r is common. So it is L plus 2H multiplied with 6 by 5. Now what is your pi? 22 by 7. R is 84. Your L you got 91. Height of the cylindrical part. This is your H1. So height of your cylindrical part, here we have considered it as H2. Now H1 is 50. So 2 into 50. Now when you divide, it is 12. Now whole multiplied with 6 by 5. Now what is 22 into 12, students? It is 264. Now just see. Inside the bracket 2 into 50 is 100. 100 plus 91. That will give you 191. Outside it is 6 by 5. Correct? Just look here. So 100 plus 91 is 191. So 264 into 191 into 6. Whatever you will get, divided with 5. It will be 60,508.8 square meter. But just see in the sum what they have told. Give your answer in nearest square meter. It is 0.8, so get round up. So your answer is 60,509 square meter. Got it, students? Students, thanks for watching this video. Hope you have understood whatever I explained in this video. Then also, if you have any doubt, comment or mail. If you like the video, share and subscribe. Thank you.